Shaman, good.
Directors and CEO, original CEO, senior management, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your very kind invitation for us to come and have lunch. I don't know whether we're going to be having lunch or not. Whether we have lunch or not, it does not matter. What we have received in the boardroom by way of a presentation of the operation so far and the dreams that still lie ahead, which are all possible, will be done. Will be done. We are very hopeful and we are very, very grateful that Papua New Guinea has given Fiji an opportunity to come and be part of their development. It's not a one-way thing. Fiji benefits a lot, and while we want to contribute to the development of the nation and its people, we're also very, very grateful for the return it'll have on Fiji and the Fiji economy. And I would like to thank you all for what you're doing for Vodafone here in Papua New Guinea. And if you have the opportunity to come, those of you who are the local staff, if you can come to Fiji, come and see that we still have some black spots, blind spots, that we're also working at plugging and serving. So what you've done so far has made us very proud, and I congratulate you all in our way.
Set.